this video, I will show you how do I run a full scan using Windows Defender. So this is a very quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to your search bar here or go to the search icon and then look for Windows Security. So you have to type Windows Security here. So once it appears, what you want to do next is to tap that one and it will take you directly to Windows Security settings. And then here you have to click for virus and threat protection. So tap this one. Now, what are we going to look when we are here under virus and threat protection is this current threats where you can see this quick scan. But if you want a full scan, of course, you have to click the scan options. So when you tap the scan options here, you can select either you want to do a quick scan, you want to do a full scan, custom, and Microsoft Defender antivirus. Okay, for quick scan, it checks folders in your system where threats are commonly found. Next we have here is full scan, checks all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Okay, and next we have here is custom scan. So you can choose which files and locations you want to check. So you can select and deselect files here. And last, we have here Microsoft Defender antivirus. So, some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan can help to find and remove them using up-to-date threats and definitions. Okay, so this will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So once you're okay and ready, tap scan now. Now you can also go to other site and download some free antivirus if you want. And what I'm showing you right now are the samples of antivirus for the protection of your PC and laptop. Okay, so you just have to choose one. But of course, some of these antivirus are not for free, so you have to pay like per year or per month. And you can see here the features and the advantages of buying or purchasing this antivirus. Okay, and of course, while free antivirus software could be device specific, paying for it usually allows you to secure all of your devices, your PC, Mac, and mobile phone. You have more control over your personal information and are better protected when doing critical online tasks like banking when you use paid antivirus software. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.